Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. What's up? How is everybody doing? I know that this is kind of a hard moment for everybody. You know, everybody's going through being self-isolated at home, so I thought I will get the most out of it and bring you guys more videos, so tune in for more videos coming. Today I'm gonna show you how to slay your edges. That is a video that I've been wanting to do since a long time, and to be honest, I am not even so creative when it comes to doing my edges, but I just thought that having your edges laid and in place is something that brings your whole hairstyle together, so I'm super excited for that. My hair has been crazy, so don't pay attention to whatever is up here, and we're gonna focus on the edges. I'm gonna show you how you can lay your edges super nice, and you're gonna need only a few products for that. The first thing you're gonna need is an old toothbrush. So obviously you don't want to use the one with which you brush your teeth, okay? This is an old toothbrush that I cleaned, and that's what we're gonna use to lay our edges and, you know, do that nice little swoop right here. And then I'm gonna use this gel from Eco Style, and this is the olive oil one. It is alcohol free, so it's supposed to not be harmful for your hair. And then I'm just gonna use a little bit of water that I'm gonna have in a spray bottle. We might not need that, but just in case my hair is misbehaving today, I'm gonna just have my water handy. Okay, let's jump right into the video. So I'm gonna try and get closer to you guys. Let's get up close and personal. First and foremost, I am gonna wet my toothbrush. And then I'm kind of gonna start and bring my edges down to kind of understand what do I need to gel down. So something that I always used to do when it comes to my edges is that I used to always pull way too many hair. And that's the mistake that you don't want to do. You just want to pull a little bit off your edges. Okay. I'm gonna wet my toothbrush again, just because my hair is very, you know, it's doing its thing, so I need to like add some water so that the edges are okay with coming down, so that I can control whatever is happening. Okay, and you can see right away that my edges are kind of like behaving a little bit and cooperating on one side, not on the other, but it's okay, it's okay. All right, so that just gives you an idea of kind of like the little swoop that you wanna have. And again, just be careful to not pull too much hair, because that's usually what I do, and that's usually what leads to like you looking like Dwight in The Office instead of just looking like a cute little pineapple. And then I'm gonna take my gel. Oops. Okay, I hope my pets don't eat it, but I'm gonna put a little bit of gel on the back of my hand. Perfect. And then I'm just gonna be dabbing with my toothbrush like so. And then I am gonna basically gel my hair down. So depending on your hair, you might not need as much gel as me. I need a lot because my hair is just not cooperative sometimes, so I just have to make sure that I have a lot of gel in here. And then you kind of gonna like swoop your hair. I don't even know if that's the way to say it, but you're just gonna brush your hair and create that little wave, that little swoop that is gonna make it look well put together, like you make an effort. And you're gonna see already my pineapple is so messy, but just with my edges done, it's gonna look so much nicer. Okay, I'm adding a little bit more gel on that side because I have a lot of hair and it is just doing its own thing, so I have to like help it a little bit, you know. Here we go. So I'm really not doing the most when it comes to my edges. I see some girls doing some amazing like little swirl, or I don't know, it looks like art, literally. Like some girls are just doing the most and I like it, but I'm not so creative when it comes to my edges, and I'm also, I don't know, I think like I'm still figuring out how to you know, how to be more creative with my hair in general. So this is what works for me so far. And then don't hesitate to use your fingers as well. You know, anything that works for you, just do it. It's not because you see something on YouTube that other people are doing that it might work for you. So you just have to find what works for you, just like anything else for your hair or your makeup, you know. And I feel like for anything else in life, we're all different. We all have our own way to do stuff. And ta-da! Look at that. Look how much nicer it looks. This is the messy side, and it's not that bad because I already put my edges down, but yeah, you can see I look like a raggedy mess here. And then here, I look well put together, sophisticated. Yes! Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more gel onto the back of my hand. Perfect. And then I'm gonna dab the toothbrush onto... Oh, hi little kitty, you wanna be on camera? You wanna be on camera? Everyone say hi to Ivy. She is my little kitty cat. Kitty cat, kitty cat. You wanna do my edges? Huh? You wanna do my edges? Yes? She's so cute. She's still a kitten. Huh? You just wanted to be on camera, that's why. So now that you met Ivy, we can continue the video. I am gonna do the same thing on that side. So I'm just putting some gel directly onto my edges. And you know, this is kind of like what I'm talking about when I say you don't want to end up looking like Dwight in The Office. You want to make sure that you give it a nice and natural swoop. You don't want your hair to be just glued on in the middle of your forehead. Don't do it, sis. It is not looking nice. Perfect. So for some reason, I have no edges today on that side, but it's okay. Okay, and then I'm gonna add a little bit more gel. Maybe this will help me. And then I have a little bit of gel left here on the back of my hand, so I'm just gonna take it and flatten the part that's right above my edges, just so that I don't look like my edges are super flat and then it's super puffy. You know, that just looks weird. So yeah, we're just gonna flatten this part up. And we are done. As you can see, it was a very quick video and it's a very quick way to kind of like slay your whole look. If you just do your edges, you're gonna look more put together. So yeah, if you're just feeling like you want a quick tip to kind of like bring your hairstyle all together, just think about your edges. That's a really cool way to look sophisticated and, you know, like you made an effort today. So yeah, I hope you guys liked it. And then another tip would be that if you want your edges to stay down and laid the whole day, just grab a scarf like this one or a hairband, anything, and then you just put your scarf or hairband onto your edges. Okay. Cute. And then I'm gonna leave this on for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can leave it on for longer if you feel like this is gonna help, but usually 5 to 10 minutes is enough. And if you even want to go the extra mile, you can use a blow dryer and just dry your edges to make sure that it's just gonna stay in place and it's not gonna move throughout the day or the night. But yeah, I am gonna leave it on for 5 minutes and I'm gonna come back to you guys to close up this video and say bye. So yeah, this is the final result. As you guys can see, I am having a little bit of curling going on here, and if you don't want that to happen, you can add more gel. I actually don't mind that because this is just the way my hair is and I don't mind the curling. Like, my hair is curly, so that's totally fine with me. But yeah, I really like it. I really think it does a good job at putting my looks together. So just a quick way again to, you know, step up your hair game. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you like it, and comment down below any suggestions that you want to see for my next videos. I will catch you guys later and thank you so much for watching. Bye!